Polyatomic ions. In previous slides we have discussed that what is cation and what is anion. Now what is polyatomic ion? The word poly denotes two or more. Atomic denotes atoms. So the polyatomic ions made of two or more atoms. Two or more atoms grouped together to create a total ionic charge. So this is known as polyatomic ion. For example, SO4 2-. Here it contains one sulfur and 4 oxygen atom. So totally 5 atoms are there and it creates a charge 2-. So it is example for polyatomic ion. And another one NH4 plus. It contains 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen atoms and it creates the charge plus. So it is example for polyatomic ion. Okay. So polyatomic ions may be positive or negative. In most cases the polyatomic ions have a negative charge. Let us see that naming of polyatomic ion. That naming, that negative ion endowed with word ATE, ITE or sometimes IDE also. Okay. So negative ion endowed with ATE, ITE, IDE. Here SO4 2- is known as sulfate. SO3 2- sulfide. In positive ion simply endowed with the word IUM. Example NH4 plus is known as ammonium. Is a positive ion, so it simply endowed with IUM, ammonium. Okay. Here some more examples are also given. First, ammonium, polyatomic ion, ammonium, because it consists 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen and it has a charge positive. So it is a positive ion ended with the word IUM, that means ammonium. And next one, hydroxide, OH-. It contains 2 atoms, oxygen and hydrogen, and they create the charge minus. It is a negative ion, so ended with the word IDE. Next, nitrate. It is a polyatomic ion because it contains 4 atoms. What are they? 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen. And it has a total net charge minus. So, negative ion ended with the word ATE, nitrate. Like that, this is the hydrogen carbonate because it is made up of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. And CO3 2- is a carbonate. Sulfite, SO3 2-. Sulfate, SO4 2-. So these are all the example for polyatomic ions. And remaining we have discussed in that next class also. So remaining we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.